If you're in the market for craft distilling equipment, then American Beer Equipment has the answer. Whether you're a craft brewery looking at a 50-gallon starter or a production distillery eyeing a 1,000-gallon system, ABE's equipment, short lead times, and commitment to customer service will have you bottling and serving your spirits weeks ahead of the competition. The distillation process starts with the pot, and ABE does not disappoint. It's a solid copper vessel with a stainless steel jacket to give you the classic flavor and look you expect with the durability and cleanliness you need. Every still is built with safety in mind, so there are 2 pressure release valves, one for the pot and one for the side jacket, as well as an explosion-proof agitation motor. Depending on your need, you can order a single or semi-continuous model, and every model comes with an integrated CIP ball to assist with the cleaning. ABE's innovative designs on the rectification column allow you to see the distilling process in action. The standard column comes with 4 plates, but is modular to allow for as many plates as you need. Each plate has a 360-degree CIP ring to allow for thorough cleaning. And just so nothing goes to waste, the low wines container has a 12-gallon capacity, so you can recapture and reuse your runoff distillate. The liquid management condensation column has a tube-in shell design that uses between 3 and 5 gallons of cooling water per hour. The transparent borosilicate glass allows you and the visitors to your distillery to see and feel more connected to the process. Every Patriot craft still is assembled and sent through a rigorous quality control inspection right here in Lincoln, Nebraska, before it is shipped out to our customers. Every still is designed and built with safety foremost in mind, so you can focus on your craft. Need diversity? Patriot craft stills can function as a pot or reflux still, and are modular, meaning you can add on to your existing system to boost productivity rather than wasting money on a completely new system. Most importantly, we are committed to quality and to your success, which is why our customer service stands head and shoulders above the competition. If you have a question or concern, you can expect to talk to a real person with detailed knowledge on the product. Our ABE certified technicians will guide you through the setup of your equipment and then train your staff on operation and maintenance procedures. At ABE, our success is your success.